We were given the task to conduct an investigation into gesture-based interaction with mobile devices. In the investigation, we studied the productivity app Google Drive. In the process, we found some user design issues that could be improved on. We came up with some gesture-based solutions as well as minor tweaks to help enhance the usability and user experience. With the introduction of new gestures, we added a simple tutorial which users will proceed through upon opening the app for the first time. This will easily allow users to know what gestures can be used throughout the app. When the user opens the app for the first time, the loading screen appears. After loading, the one-time tutorial appears to help the user familiarize with the available gestures. To begin, the user can tap Get Started to begin the tutorial, or tap Skip All to skip the tutorial. Let's begin by tapping Get Started. The screen moves to the side to introduce the tutorial. This is an interactive tutorial to provide the user with a real-life example of the gestures. Here the user learns how to create a document. We can do this by tapping the plus icon on the top right-hand corner. We are presented with a new document. The user can now slide the document to the left to show more options. The user is now asked to tap on the Share button to bring up the Share options. Here the user is given the options to share the document with other users. To complete the tutorial, the user is asked to slide right to go back to the previous screen. This completes the tutorial. Task 1 focuses on the creating and sharing of a document. In this task, the user must create a new document and name it Test Document, open the document and add text in the Calibri font, and allow test@gmail.com access to the document. We begin with a blank document screen. Let's tap on the plus button to add a new document. Tap the new document to open it in view mode. Next, we tap the name of the document. This allows us to edit the name. Let's rename this document to Test Document and tap Add. The document has now been renamed. To continue, let's tap on the main document to enter the edit mode. Edit mode allows us to add, edit, and remove content from the document. Let us begin by changing the text font by tapping Text in the menu. This brings up the Text Options menu. Tap the current selected font and a menu with various fonts appears. Tap on Calibri followed by Accept. This applies the text options to the document. Let us enter some dummy text. Next, we need to share the document. To do this, we slide left on the main document. This brings up the document options. Tap on Share to bring up the sharing options. Tap Add People, enter the email test@gmail.com, and tap Add. Test@gmail.com now has access to the document. To close the document, we simply slide to the right multiple times to return to the document page. This completes task 1. Task 2 focuses on editing a document. In this task, the user must edit the document provided by changing the text color to purple, add a comment to the document, and add a bullet point to the document. The user is provided with a document to edit. To begin, the user taps the main document to enter edit mode. To edit all the text, the user taps a word and taps Select All. This selects all the text. Next, tap Text in the menu to bring up the text options. Here we are given the option to change the text color by tapping on the current color box. Slide your finger across the color wheel to select your main hue. Then tap on the brightness you wish to use of that hue. Tap Add to apply it to the text. Now we need to add a comment. To do this, tap on the word you wish to add the comment to, and tap Add Comment. The comment menu appears. Type in your comment and tap Comment. Comments that are added are automatically highlighted. Our last step is to add a bullet point. Let's first separate our bullet point. Select our first point and apply the bullet point option in the menu. To find more options in the menu, you can either tap the arrow, in which the menu will slide across, or you can choose to slide the menu to the left to reveal more options. Tap the bullet point option to apply the bullet point. This completes task 2. Throughout this investigation on Productivity app Google Drive, the proposed design focuses on enhancing the user experience and usability of the app. With the mobile focus, gestures were introduced such as the slide to share/option gestures, pull back to return gesture, and providing multiple ways to view more top menu items.